Today we'll be talking about drug abuse. Topics of discussion are the definition of drug abuse, alarming facts about drug abuse, and prevention about drug abuse. Drug abuse defined. Addiction is a chronic, often relapsing brain disease that causes compulsive drug seeking and use, despite harmful consequences to the addicted individuals and those around him or her. Although the intentional decision is to make the drug a voluntary to most people, the brain changes that occur over time challenges an addicted person self-control and hamper his or her ability to resist increased impulses to take drugs. In reality, drug abuse is a complex disease, and quitting takes more than good intentions or a strong will. In fact, because drugs change the brains in ways that foster compulsive drug abuse, quitting is difficult, even for those who are ready to do so. Through scientific advantages, we know more about how drugs work in the brain than ever. And we also know that drug addiction can be successfully treated to help people from stop abusing drugs and to lead productive lives. Some alarming facts. Estimated overall cost of substance abuse in the U.S. exceeds $600 billion annually. 47,000 Canadian deaths are linked to substance abuse. 23% of Ontario students report that they were offered, sold, or given drugs at school in the last year. That's about 219,000 students. 42% of Ontario students said that they have used an illicit substance in the last year. Prevention of drug abuse. Who is involved? There is a larger number that is involved in the community, from the community to the federal level, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and the police force. Over 2,100 communities and partnerships have formed in neighborhoods across the U.S. Action for the individual. Review your knowledge, attitudes, and practices regarding the use of alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. Follow your doctor's directions of the use of prescription drugs and follow the manufacturing guidelines. Do not use any illegal drugs if taking prescription drugs. Be aware. Be aware of the connection between alcohol and other drugs and sexually transmitted diseases. Be aware that using alcohol and other drugs can lead to unplanned or unprotected sex. Many drugs, including alcohol and tobacco products, can interfere with the body's immune system, making it easier for you to become sick. Thank you. That is my presentation on drug abuse.